Hey guys, in the previous video I smashed a lots of cans using the can crusher brick that we made, and I smashed more after that off camera, and now I want to get rid of them. So I decided to melt them all. I made a small mold from sand, I added 2 letters from foam. I saw people did that and I hope it works with me. The result will be so ugly, I know, but all what I want is extract the aluminum from cans and use it in future projects. I prepared my homemade foundry and it's ready to use. Check the video link description if you want to know how to do it by yourself. I use it now like 6 or 7 times and it still works fine. I added some charcoal, some oil, and we have a fire. Inject it with only air, put a stainless steel container inside it, and now you can melt anything. Once it's hot enough, start to add cans into it. And remember, you have to remove the slags after adding 7 or 6 cans. When you remove the slag, make sure your foundry is very hot to reduce the amount of aluminum stuck on the slag and get better results. 4 more left. We almost finished. And then we're gonna see what we're gonna have in here. One more left. It is done. Now cleaning the slag and we're ready to see the results. Yeah, that's clean. Let's do it. Ooh. Is it still hot? Yep, it is hot. And this is what we got. This was my first time using foam in a mold. As I can see, it actually looks good on the sand after burning it, but it didn't went well with me because the mold was so flat for a small amount of aluminum, so I didn't get enough metal pressure. Let's see how heavy it is. Oh, 75 grams. 76 now. That's cool. And I did all of these off camera. Ooh, look at the size of this one.
This is massive shit. ايه ده لسه سخن فشخ.
I have all the sizes and shapes. Let's weight them all. Let's start with this one. This thing. And this is the first one I made. And finally we have this one. Okay. 304 grams. Now as you can see, I have a huge amount of aluminum. I'm waiting for the right project to put them all on it. And that's it guys for today. I hope you liked it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.